Writing an effective introduction paragraph is crucial for grabbing your reader's attention and setting the tone for your essay. Here's how to do it. Number one, start with the hook. Begin with an engaging sentence that captures interest. This could be a surprising fact, a quote, a question, or a vivid description. Number two, provide context. After the hook, give some background. Some background information on your topic. This helps the reader understand the subject matter and its significance. Number three, state your thesis. Clearly present your main argument or point of the essay. This statement should outline what you will discuss and guide direction on your writing. All right, I'll put it all in the description, everything I'm saying. Number four, outline structure, which is optional. Briefly mention the main points you're going to cover in the essay, providing a roadmap for the reader. So here are some example structure. Number one, the hook. Start with an interesting fact or question. Number two, the context. Offer some background on the topic. Number three, the thesis statement. Clearly state your main point. All right. Now, by following this structure, you can create a strong introduction and it'll effectively prepare your reader for the rest of the essay. Leave me a comment. Ciao, Jesus is Lord. Later. Bye.